Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Gilead knot. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's going to be at my belt line as usual. We're going to come over here. I'm going to put a dimple in there, bring it over to the center. I'm going to come across. I'm going to come around like this. I'm going to come down here like this. I'm going to open this up a bit. Then I'm going to come through here. And then I'm going to come around here like this. And then I'm going to come up through here like this. Tighten it up a bit. And that's what you'll have. So then we're going to come around here. We're going to fold this in half. And we're going to come around here. And then we're going to go up like this. Okay, so this is what we have so far. It's kind of lopsided, that's the point. I'm going to come underneath here. I'm going to fold it down like this. So come down and twist it like this. You have that, and we're going to come up and over here. Then we're going to fold it in half and then come down here. Then I'm just going to swing this over here. Let me put my collar down. And again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. You guys know the drill by now. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. More knots will be coming your way, so hit that bell notification so you know more are coming. So, peace and God bless, and until next time.